Here we go. Hazel's in her Jenny jump up. What do you think, Hazel? Oh. You want to chew on that? Oh, yeah. Yeah. You bouncing? You spinning? What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? You're just rubbing your face on that. Hey. Hi. Here, put your arm in there. There you go. There you go. Oh, no. You want to chew on the string. You're just all over the place. All over the place, huh? You need to put some padding there or something, huh? You want to chew on something. Chew on something. Yeah. Look at your little feet just moving. Moving. Like a little swing. It's like a little swing. Huh. Are you gonna talk? Are you gonna talk? You say hi? Say hi. I'm too busy wanting to chew. I'm too busy wanting to chew. You were laughing a minute ago. You were laughing a minute ago. Want to swing a little bit? Okay. Say thank you, Great Grandma.